How to create QR code on PowerPoint. First of all, to begin creating a custom QR code to share any information with your audience, you will first need the QR for Office PowerPoint add-in, and in PowerPoint go to the Insert tab, then click Get Add-in and search QR, then find QR for Office and simply select it. Now in your add-ins you see QR for Office. The Microsoft Store has a ton of add-ins and they actually rounded up your favorite PowerPoint add-ins if you want to discover more. The side panel will open and you can begin creating your QR code. Next to the box, you will see the drop-down menu containing the different types of links or information that you can turn into a QR code. Select the type of the link you are using. You can select custom if you are not sure. Now you can customize the color and size of the QR code as needed. Once you are ready, hit OK and the QR code will be placed on your slide. Now your audience can scan the code right from your presentation and get the extra information. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.